So how can you turn off the keyboard on iPad while playing the game? So there are some things you can do, of course. At first, open up the settings and go to the focus mode, and there is a dedicated gaming focus, which is gonna limit some interactions like notifications and some other things popping up. So I recommend you to have that turned on and make sure that nothing is disturbing you while playing the game. But another thing which can help you with this situation is what's called guided access. You can find it inside of the accessibility, and if you scroll down to the bottom, there is the guided access, so you can enable it. And essentially, you can then start playing your game, triple click the power button, and more options will appear, right? So you will have the ability to lock the touch or lock it within one app, or even lock the ability to type or have the keyboard appear. So plenty of things which you can play with. Obviously, you can just set it up according to your preferences, but just know that there is the ability to do it like that. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it did in fact help with that, right? So there are some questions you might have. So if that's the case, go ahead and leave them below. But that's going to be about it from me. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'll see you in the future videos.